This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Brand new home in harmony at Lakewood Ranch. This beautiful townhouse features 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 CG. New Caledonia granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Breakfast bar area opens up to the great room and there is a large prep island in the kitchen. Serenity 17.5 by 17.5 oversized tile on the floors throughout the main level. Travel upstairs to the master suite with 2 walk-in closets, tray ceiling, dual sinks and large shower. 2 additional bedrooms and full bath. 1 bedroom has a walk-in closet. Laundry room is located conveniently upstairs as well. Lanai off the back of the home offers a great place to spend the evenings outside. Located in harmony at Lakewood Ranch, this community offers a clubhouse, resort-style swimming pool, fitness center, walking trails and more. Close to shopping, schools and a short drive to the beach. A must-see. Top AAA rated schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.